up, guys? Chris Barr the First here. Welcome back to another episode of Talking Trains. In today's episode of Talking Trains, what we're going to be doing is I'm going to be showing you guys all kinds of train horns, what the model is, and all that good stuff. And yeah, so that's the topic today. Is different types of train horns. Again, you are watching the Talking Train series on the Chris Barr the First channel. I am your host, Chris Barker. Let's get this show underway and show you some amazing train horns. CSX-9, nice! What's up? That is a weird sounding horn. So folks, that is a rundown on all the most popular horns that you can hear on the railroad. Some of them were Nathan K5 LAs. Some of them were Nathan K5 HLs. Some of them were, one of them was a Nathan P3, and some of them were even Leslie horns. So yeah, I put a little variety in there. You can see today that of horns that you can hear on the railroad. I would put one damaged one in there too. This thing sounded awful, but until next time, we'll see you guys next time. Thank you for watching.